Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to enable promotions email notifications on Temu account. So first we're going to go to the Temu app. Then once you're here, we're going to click on You, which is found right in the middle. Then next we're going to click on Settings, which is found on the top right corner. Then once you're here, we're going to click on Notifications. So under Promotions, you're going to click on Edit. Then you're going to scroll downwards. So as you can see, the email option is turned off. So we're going to turn it on. They're going to confirm if this is the email you want to send the notifications to. So once you turn it on, you're going to see different instructions in your email about different promotions. So that's how you do it. It's basically an easy job. Make sure to also check our other videos as we've been posting daily. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.